on it.
You tried your best on it. Okay. So you don't have any question to ask.
So the question I think I have is within the question it's stated that the unpaid subscription for 20X4 is still in arrears.
Mm-hmm.
So and then in my the subscription, my workings. In
Mm-hmm.
my workings of the subscription,
Good.
I maintained that arrears to be the one being given, which is in the I think 1,390.
Okay.
But then I'm still contemplating maybe whether that one have to be worked on, or is that same one which is supposed to appear there, since it's stated that the unpaid subscription for the X, because I'm supposed to work on the 20X5.
Uh-huh.
I'm working on 20X5, and then 20X4 is the arrears.
Brilliant. Good analysis.
So I'm trying to see if maybe maintaining it as such is the best way, or something should have been done to it in the subscription account.
Okay. 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 You are perfectly
But
right.
however, I think I did it my own way as I understood, and then
That's
I don't
great.
know how to present it. Sure.
That's good. So when we go through, you your challenge will be resolved. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is one of the challenge I expected anybody who tried his or her hand on it will face, and how to unravel it. You did well. You should have even called me so that I give you the explanation to it, so you can quickly clear your challenge of doubts, and then you'll be good to go. But anyway, that's good. Any other person? Is it only Gideon, or another? There is somebody who also give it a try. Hello, Gideon said
I
he tried it.
I tried,
He,
but I'm thinking that's why.
who is it? Miriam?
Yes, sir.
You tried it, eh?
Yes, please.
And then you had a challenge. Where was your challenge?
I didn't have any challenge. I was able to do it.
You were able to unravel it.
Yes.
That's great. Oh, okay. So what was the arrears? What are the arrears? What's the value of the arrears?
At least I'm coming. Well, at least I'll
Okay.
talk.
Come again.
Then please, there's food in my mouth, so when I finish, I'll talk.
Ah,
I didn't hear what she said. She said what?
Then please, I'm eating. When I finish, I'll talk.
Oh, okay. I can hear it from your voice. Something is loaded in your buccal cavity. So it's normal. Okay, when you finish, then you talk. Uh, any apart from Gideon and then Miriam, any other who also tried it? Who tried it, and what did you unravel?
yeah. Hello, sir.
Yes.
I think I couldn't have utilized the bank balance. I don't know, because of the financial position not being part of the preparations, right?
Oh, okay. So you didn't determine the state. You didn't do the statement of affairs.
I think it's not part. It's just
Yeah, they
the
didn't. They didn't ask
Uh,
for it, so
uh,
okay. Okay.
okay.
All right. That's okay. Uh-huh. All right. So I think we have two of our colleagues who said they have tried their hands on it and realized that there was an issue when it comes to the subscription. So I wish Miriam will finish fast and tell us what how she unraveled it, and then we'll take it from there. So let's give the next, I don't know the quantum of the food she is disciplined. So it will be very unfair on our part to tell her or to give her time to join us back. So let's go to the question, and I'll skip the subscription account till she comes back and then tell us. I want to hear from her before I come in with my analysis. Okay, so let's go to the notes to the account. Just
I'm
as,
in.
okay, hey, fast.
Okay, get out.
You want to
Okay,
explain and go back to it?
okay, say. So, say with
Okay,
the subscription,
yeah.
I started from the total the total amount received for 20x5.
Mm-hmm.
And I added the arrears. Arrears
Okay,
at start. That was the 1,528.
okay.
Plus the advance at start, the 2,465
Mm-hmm.
together. So when I
Mm-hmm.
was done, then I subtracted the arrears in 20x4. If
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if I'm correct.
So what was the arrears? What figure did you get for the arrears?
So say in all, no,
Mm-hmm.
for after addition and subtraction, I had a 10,840.
To be transferred to the income and expenditure account.
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. Okay, you are also not able to unravel it. So let's go to it and we'll see how we can unravel them.
Okay,
All
say.
right. Okay, thank you. But it's good
Welcome.
you tried it. So whatever will come with it will give you clearer understanding. Because we have not been asked to prepare the statement of affairs, the statements of financial position, we don't have to bother ourselves to try to
Oh,
uh,
bye.
try to crack our head there. So let's go straight to, based on the question, what are some of the accounts that need to be adjusted? Based on the question, the first one, of course, will be the subscription account. So let's look at the subscription. If I want to go according to the question, let me see. That day, did we read out the question? If not, someone should read it for us. Let me project the question. We quickly go through, and then we start solving. Where is the question? Where is the question? I shared a question with Assistant Cost Rep. What's your name? Assistant Cost Rep. Assistant Cost Rep. What's her name? Alfreda.
Yes, please.
Okay. Alfreda.
Sir, please, I'm here.
I needed information, but they've provided me already. Okay, Miriam.
Hey.
You said you have finished eating, so read a question for us. Read a question.
Below is the hey, quiet.
Hey, they are recording on. The lecture is being recorded, Miriam. Okay, then let me call a different person. Gideon.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read.
Okay, so question 15. I'm reading now. Below is the receipts and payment account of Justice Social Club for the year ended December 31st, 20x5. Receipts. Banking balance 1st January 20x5 has a credit balance of 2,948. Bar takings has a credit balance 24,570.
Okay,
Then we come to
wait.
Come again.
Let me correct this. What you see there is not credit balance. It's just vertical presentation of the bank's debit side of the bank account. So whatever you see there is a positive entry in the bank account. So bank balance 1st January 20x5 is 2948. Bar takings is 24570. They are not credit or they are debit entry. Sorry, they are not credit entry. They are debit entry. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So let me share the other one so that you read as well. I know you have it, but I want to project it for everybody to see. Okay. You have it now. Go on.
Okay, so we start with subscription. Yeah, so we start with subscriptions. 20x4, 1,390. Then we come to 20.
Wait. I'm sharing the wrong. Okay, Gideon, go ahead.
Okay, so subscriptions 20x4 figure 1,390. 20x5 9,875. 20x6 1,539. Then we move on to entrance fees, which is 1,900. Then we come to payment, secretary expenses 2,541. Then we move to payment to creditors for bar supplies. That one is 7,880. Then we go to barman's wages. That one is 3,766. Then we move to new fixtures. That one is 8,550. Then we go to general expenses. That one is, the figure for that one is 2,135. Then we then again go on to rent, which is 3,870. Then the next one is repairs, which has a value of 4,590. Then again, last but not the least, we go to electricity, which is 6,900. And then the last one is balance as at 31st 12 20x5, which is 1,990. Other assets and liabilities of the club at January 1st 20x5 were stock of bar supplies has a figure of 3,280. Subscription in arrears has 1,500. Repairs in arrears 1,250. Creditors for bar supply 1,740. Subscription in advance 2,465. Bar fixtures 10,200. Additional information as at December 31st 20x5. Stock of bar supply 4,820. Creditors for bar supplies were 700, which is II. The unpaid subscription for 20x4 was still in arrears. IV, repairs owings 2,120. V, bar fixtures are to be depreciated 20% per annum on cost. You are required to prepare a bar taking trading account, an income and expenditure account for the year to December 31st, December 31st 20x5.
Great, thank you. So this is the question we have. So for you, and I'm sure everybody has it, so I'm going to unshare and then share my Excel sheet. So that is the question we have on board. Now, the moment you take this question, the first thing that comes to mind by way of solving this question or unraveling this question is for you to do what is known as the adjustment. There are some figures which are hidden and you have to look for them. Okay, so let's begin with, for me, that is what I teach my students, that if you take the question, you go to the additional information, the items that have been mentioned there needs to be adjusted. That's why they've mentioned them. So you take them one after the other so that you don't lose track of anything. So looking at it, one of the items they mentioned was one of the items mentioned, the first item mentioned was what? Stock of bar supplies. stock of bar supplies, we will not adjust it. That is the opening stock of bar supplies. Then the second item they made mention of is the repairs. They said repairs is in arrears. So we need to prepare the repairs account and see what will happen. So we are preparing. You can also take your sheet of paper and move along with me, or you pay rapt attention to what we are doing. So I'm preparing the repairs adjustment. So you pay attention. So repairs account.
Hello, sir.
Yep.
So did you just say the bar supply, the figure over there is opening stock?
Yes.
Why is it not closing stock because of the 31st at the closing of the account rather instead of?
Look at the date. Look at the date. The bar supply I'm talking about is 3280. Look at the date. It said what?
I thought you said we should look into the additional information.
Okay, I mentioned additional information. Sorry. So we are starting from the information after the total 422222. It said other assets and liabilities of the club as at January 1st. So these are the opening balances as at January 1st. Okay. So as at January 1st, there are some balances. And the first one was stock of bar supplies, 3280. This is an opening stock. This is an opening stock. And so we will not do anything substantial to it. So let's go to the second item, which is repairs. And repairs, we've been told that it's in arrears. So we open the repairs account. So note 1, repairs account. Okay. So with the repairs account, we have the currency sign to be Ghana cedis. Oh, shit. We leave a space. We come here, Ghana cedis. Okay. So they said in arrears, the repairs is in arrears. How much? What is the figure? Repairs in arrears. How much is the figure?
1,250.
Okay, 1,250. So it's an expense in arrears. So it is a liability on the account of the business. So the opening balance will be at the credit side. The opening balance, which is balance brought down, will be at the credit side. And it is 1,250. Okay. Then when you come to 31st December 20x5, what do you see? Repairs owing. And then there is still repairs owing. So before we treat that one, let's go to the receipt and payment account. What is the figure for repairs? How much has been paid for repairs? How much has been paid for repairs?
4,590. 4,590.
4,590. It is at the credit side of the receipt and payment account. We are paying for repairs, so we'll debit repairs account. So we have receipts and payment. receipt and payment. So the figure is 4590. 4590. Good. So this is what they have actually paid. But according to the question, they did not pay all. They were still owing at the end of the year. They were still owing at the end of the year. And how much were they owing? How much were they owing?
So 2,120.
2,120. Now, this account is prepared on accrual basis. So if you want to know the actual payment for the year, it's supposed to be what has been paid and what is left to be paid. So you have to put together what has been paid and what is left to be paid, because that service has been enjoyed and must be paid for. But the only thing is that the business could not pay for it. And so for you to capture it, to show that it is also included in the total expenses for the period, we add it to where the payment has been received. So we have balance carried down. They have not paid it. Balance carried down. So we add it to this figure, 120. Good. So when you add this to this, it will show the total payment that should have been made for the year. But then they were owing from the previous period. So that 1250 will reduce the debit side. And so the difference will be the actual amount that should have been paid for the period that will be taken to the income and expenditure account. So let's see. What is the total of these two? What will be the total of
6,710.
6,710. So this side should also be 6,710. Please, all those who have tried it, the total, or if you have not tried it, make sure your calculator is around you and then you'll be punching whilst we go along. All right. But this side is not up to 6,710. So what will be the difference? What figure do we need to add? 5,000.
460.
450. 5,000.
60.
60.
60.
5,460.
5,000.
460.
5,460. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So this is the figure that will be taken to income and expenditure account as what? The total rents the total repairs payable for the period. Okay. Then we come here, because they did not pay, or there is still owing at the end of the period, it will come here as balance brought down. And the figure will be what? 2120. Period. So that is your account. So what you do is that you double underline this and then double underline this one as well. And you underline this. So the figure we are looking for to be taken to the income and expenditure account is 5460. And this 2120 will be taken to the balance sheet, statement of financial position. We will prepare it and we'll see if it will balance. Okay. Any question? Any question? Right. Okay. If no question, let's. Yes. Go ahead.
The receipts and the payments that you wrote here, please can you if you write the repairs there, would you be marked wrong?
Why I've written the receipt and payment?
Yes, please.
If you write repairs there, you are.
Okay.
Because the money is not coming from the repairs. The money is coming from the receipt and payment account into the repairs account. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
All right. Let's move on. So we are done with repairs. The next item they made mention of is what? Subscription in advance. So there is problem with subscription. And so we have to go and determine the subscription value that should be taken to the income and expenditure account. Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so note 2. Note 2. Note 2, we are looking at subscriptions accounts. Okay, so same, we have the currency sign. So we paste it here. And then we paste it here. Okay, so now, from the information, they said what? Subscription paid in advance as opening balance. Subscription paid in advance. This one is the opening balance. Members have paid this money in advance. So it's a liability to the association. And if it's a liability to the association, it will show at the credit side as an opening balance. So we have balance brought down. Those of you who tried it, if you had a contrary view, you let me know so that I can explain. Balance brought down. How much? What is the subscription in advance?
2,465.
465.
2,465. Thank you. Then we were also told on the first, there were subscriptions in arrears. Subscription in arrears will be an asset to the association because the association expects those members to come and pay. Do you see? They expect those members to come and pay, and they have not paid. So it will be an asset. And if it's an asset, it should show an opening balance at the debit side. So we go to the debit side, and then we have balance brought down. How much? How much? Hello?
1,500.
1,500, sir.
Good. 1,500. So that is it. Okay. So this subscription, it is expected that it will be paid in. So this subscription in arrears is coming from 20X4. And then this subscription paid in advance is also coming from 20X4. So in that year, there are some members who have made payments in advance, and there are some members who are also owing. It is done in associations that you belong to. Some of the members are sanctimonious piosity. So they want to pay everything and even pay in advance. Some too are stubborn academy. They will not pay, but they will be enjoying the society's activities. And when they are chased to pay, they will even insult the treasurer or whoever is demanding the money from them, Stubborn Academy. So that is it. Then in the year, payment has been received. How much has been received and which side of the receipts and payment account? How much has been received for subscription? How much has been received?
12,804.
So it is at the debit side of the subscription account. At the receipts and payment account. So it will come to the credit side of the subscription account because the subscription account is an income account. So we have receipts and payment account. Receipt and payment. So the amount received in total was 12,000. Is it 12,000 what?
804.
12,804. That's correct. It's there. Everybody can see it. So that is the money received. Then we go ahead. Let's come to 31st December. What is the information there? What is the information on subscription? What is the information on subscription?
Paid subscription
For
20X4 was still in arrears.
Good. Before even that one, there has been subscription paid in advance for 20X6, but the money was received in 20X5. True or false?
True, sir.
That is how much?
2,465.
Are you sure? Check it well.
No, sir, 1,390.
Check it well.
So is it not subscription X4?
No. Subscription received in advance for X6.
Okay, so
1,539.
Good. So that one, because the money is at the credit side, it should come to the debit side to take it out because it's not supposed to be for X5. So we are going to take it out. So we come to the debit side, and then you have what? You have balance
CD.
Balance carried down. Okay. And the figure is 1,500 and what? 39. Okay, 1,539. Thank you. So that will be the entry. Then we've been told that the subscription for 2004, the balance is in arrears. What was the subscription for 2004?
1,390.
What was the arrears for 2004? If you can't see it, go to the question.
1,390.
No, that is not it. What is the subscription in arrears, opening balance? 1st January.
1,500.
1,500. And how much has been received? How much has been received in line with 20X4? How much has been received, which is included in the 12,804? How much has been received?
1,390.
1,390. Good. 1,390. Out of the 1,005 has been received. That is why the examiner is telling you that the balance should still be carried forward as what? Arrears. So what is the balance? What will be the balance? Uh-huh.
110.
110. So 110 will still be a balance carried down. Payment in arrears which has not been received. So you come here, balance carried down, which has not been received for 2004. And that will be 110. Is that clear? Is there any confusion? Let me explain. Let me take my time and explain further.
Yes, sir. Please, how did she get the 110?
Okay. When you go to the question, in the receipts and payment account, how much has been received in line with 20X4? I'm talking to the one who asked. 1,390. And then go to other assets and liabilities of the club as of January 1st, 20X5, where stock of supply 3280. In line on that same line, subscription in arrears, how much?
Sir, it's 2,000.
No.
No.
1,500.
It says 1,500.
1,500. 1,500 was arrears as at 20X4. So that money should have been received in 20X5. But in 20X5, they only received 1,390. They didn't receive all. And the examiner is saying that the balance should still be treated as what? Arrears. So if you take 1,390 from 1,005, you will be left with what? How do we call it? 110. Is that correct? The one who asked the question, are you okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so this is 1,005 minus 1,390. I shouldn't have done it here, but it's just your notes. So take note of it. And this is for 20X4. We are talking about 20X4 arrears. Okay. Gideon, is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Perfectly clear. So clear, too much clear. It's okay, sir.
Thank you. And then my sister, our sister, who also tried it. What is the name?
It's clear now.
Miriam Opare, is it clear now?
Yes, please.
Miriam, are you clear? Is it clear to you now? Thank you. Okay. So thank you. Let's make progress. I'm coming. Oh, where has this thing gone to hide? Good. Okay. Right. So now let's determine what will be the what will be the total? Check the total for the debit and the credit side. Debit side will be how much? 2039. Is that correct? 2039. Is that correct?
Sir, is it 1,500 plus 1,539?
That will be 3039. 3039.
3, yes, it's 3039.
Thank you. What about this side?
15,379.
15,379. Thank you. So 15,379 is the balancing figure, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
15,379 will be our balancing figure. 15,379. Okay, so how much do we need to get the debit side to be equal to the credit side?
12,340.
12,340. Thank you. And that is the figure we need to be taken to the income and expenditure account as our first source of income from subscription from members. Thank you. Good. So we are done with the subscription account. If you have any question, please ask so that I can throw more light on it for you. You double underline this, and then you move on. Then you now come here. At the debit side, you have balance. I'm teaching. Let me finish and call you. We have balance brought down. And that would be what? 110. Still arrears. And it's an asset to the business. And the business will be expecting to receive it in 20x6. The stubborn one, the stubborn academy, the business will expect to receive it from them in 20x6. Then we also have this one, balance brought down. Those who don't want trouble for themselves, the business is owing them 1,539. Good. That's all. So this is the figure we were looking for to be taken to our income and expenditure account. Any question? Any question? Hello? Hello, can we make progress? Hey, why? Can't you hear me?
We can hear you, sir.
I need your response so that I will know that we can proceed. Can we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Stephanie. Okay, right. Then we move on to the next item. So when you go to the question, the next item mentioned was what? Creditors for bar supply. Have you seen it? Creditors for bar supplies. Hello, please, can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we need the purchases for bar supplies, but it has not been given. So we need to prepare the suppliers control account, bar suppliers control account. It is in this account that we will determine the creditors for bar supply. That it is in this account, that control account, that we will determine the credit purchases made for the period or purchases made for the period. So let's go. Note 3. Note 3, please follow me. Gideon, did you prepare this account?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay. Miriam, did you also prepare it? Suppliers control. Miriam, the children are disturbing her, so she doesn't want to talk. Suppliers control account. Okay. So we have our currency size.
With mine, the header was bar creditors account.
Okay, bar creditors control account. Add the control to it. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Good. So we move on. So we have, it said what? As at 1st January, bar creditors, the business owe bar creditors an amount which has been stated there. These are suppliers, these are creditors. So if we owe them, it will be a liability. So it will show at the credit side of the account. Correct?
Sir, please repeat your last statement, sir.
The bar creditors, creditors for bar supplies. What it means is that the business was owing them in 20X4. The business did not finish paying. So if you are preparing their control account, it will show at the credit side as an opening balance. So here we'll bring it to the credit side as balance brought down. That is what I mean. And balance brought down, the figure will be what? What is the figure? What is the figure?
1,740.
1740. That's correct. Then we move on. Then as at 31st December 20X5, was there any? Yes, there is another creditors for bar supplies. Have you seen it? Meaning they were still
Yes,
owing.
sir.
They did not finish paying. So if they pay bar suppliers, where will it be? It will be at the debit side because you will see it under the payment side of the receipt and payment account. So let's go to the receipt and payment account and check if they were paid. Were they paid? Were they paid?
So there was a payment.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
there was a
Yes.
payment.
Good. There was payment. So that is at the credit side of the receipt and payment account. So it will come to the debit side. They being paid, they will receive it. So we will debit the account. So we come to the debit side and we have receipts and payment. Receipt and payment. The money is coming from them. How much? How much is coming from there?
7,880.
Good, 7,880. And this examiner is telling us that they did not finish paying. They were still owing. They were still owing. How much was they still owing? How much were they still owing? So this 700 should have been added to the 7880, but they did not pay. And we are using accrual cost concept. Accrual cost concept. So we need to add it in order to know the total amount that should have been paid for the year. So here we come here and we have balance carried down. Balance carried down 700. Good. So that is all. That is all for the period. So we now find the total. What will be the total here?
8580.
What will be the total? 8580. Good. 8580. That will be the balancing figure. So 8580. Now, how much do we need to add to 1740 for it to be equal to 8580?
6840.
6840. Good. So this 6840 is the figure we are looking for to be taken to the income and expenditure account as what? As what?
Purchases.
Purchase, sorry. To be taken to the bar trading account as purchases. Thank you. So this is our credits purchases. Credits purchases.
So say just purchases is wrong, right?
If you write purchases in this account, somebody will tell you are wrong. Because in this account, we determine credit purchases. Then when you take
Okay.
these credit purchases to the purchases account, then you go and look for the cash purchases or check purchases, add it to it, then you get your purchases figure for the year. So this
But I don't
is
think
so
we have any question.
so we don't have anything there. So this becomes the purchases. But you can just be, for the person to know that you know what you are doing, write credit purchases. But that is what you would take to what? The bar trading account. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Then we come here, balance. I hope the question is asked and I explained, you are all good with it. So balance brought down 700. Right. So this is the figure we are looking for, and we've gotten it. So you now double underline this figure, double underline this figure. All right. So thank you. So we move on. We are still moving on. I hope you are following how we are identifying the items to be used. The bar stock of bar supplies, I said these are opening and closing balances. We don't adjust them. All right, let's move on. What again? Are we done? I think we are done with the adjustment. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. So what about the depreciation?
Good. I was expecting to hear that. So in the first place, we have to prepare the bar fixtures account. So that will be number 4. Number 4, bar fixtures account. Okay, so our currency sign, pick it, bring it here. Right, good. So what is the opening balance? Do you have opening balance for bar fixtures? Do you have a balance as at 1st January 20X5?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
it's an asset. It's an asset, so it will come to the debit side. Balance brought down. How much?
10,200.
10,200.
10,200. Thank you. Good. And how much has been bought for the current year?
8,550.
How much has been bought? So it is at the
8,500.
credit side of the receipt. Good. It's at the credit side of the receipt and payment. So we'll bring it to the debit side as what? Receipts and payments. Receipts and payments. And the figure is how much? What is the figure?
8,550.
8,550. Good. Right. So there's nothing against the credit side. So what will be the total here?
$18,750.
750. Is it correct? Good, good, good. Miriam, you are back, eh? So at the credit side, this will be balance carried down. Balance carried down. And the figure is 18,750. Good. So when you come here, balance brought down. Good. 18,750. Good. So we now underline, double underline this, double underline this, underline it once, then we are good to go. So the total value of our bar fixtures is what? 18,750. And they said what? Number 6. Note 5. They said we should calculate depreciation. Bar
At
fixtures.
20% per annum.
Good. Bar fixtures depreciation. Depreciation. Okay. So 20%, isn't it? 20% times 18,750. That will give us how much?
3,750.
Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Good. Miriam, did you get that?
Yes.
Good. Good. All right. So this will go to both the income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. Let me also highlight it yellow whilst we go along. Any other? Any other? Now, you realize that this question, the examiner did not ask you to prepare the statement of affairs. The examiner did not ask you to prepare the balance sheet. Okay. But
Hello,
you
sir.
can give it. Yes.
Sir, please, the bar fixtures depreciated the 20% per annum on the cost. So why did we only pick the 20% by the figure 18,750? Because I'm
not
seeing
getting
per. So when
I'm
you
not
read the
getting
question, it says, so the question says, the V says, bar fixtures are to be depreciated 20% per annum on cost. So 1 year. So 1 year depreciation. So sir, okay. So sir, adding me it is let's say 2 years, then it means our calculation will change.
Depreciation cannot be calculated for 2 years. It is calculated yearly. So here, they said 20% per annum. It means it's a straight line method.
Right.
It's a straight line method. So you just multiply 20% by the cost. So the cost of the asset at the end of the year 20x5 is 18,750. So we pick 20% of it, and that is it. But if they had said the assets were acquired somewhere August of 20x5, then that is where you have to find from August to December.
Right.
But this
Yes,
one, they were silent, so we have to calculate for the year.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Did you just mention that the depreciation figure will appear in the income and expenditure account?
Bar, sorry. It will appear in the bar.
Okay.
It will appear in the bar. Are you okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm also okay.
Okay. Can we make progress? So I'm saying that Even though, yes.
Please, so the depreciation, why don't we use the beginning rather than the ending?
At the beginning, there was an asset. At the beginning, there was a balance that which came from 20x4 of 10,200. And then in the course of the year, they bought another one. So they use 10,200 and then 8550 for the whole year. So we have to calculate at the end of the year, not at the beginning of the year.
Okay.
Yes. At the beginning of the year, they didn't tell us to calculate depreciation. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right. So let's prepare the last one, which is the statement of affairs, because we'll try our hands on the balance sheet and see if it will balance. So number 6, note 6, we have statements of affairs. Assets. First January 20x5. Okay? As at 1st January 20x5. We want to try our hands on it and see if it will balance. Okay, so we have our currency sign here. Well, oh, it didn't copy. Oh, sorry. Copy. Okay. All right, so we take our assets. Assets, the beginning of the year. What are they? What are some of the assets? As at the beginning of the year, we have bar fixtures. Because you didn't prepare it, let's go. Bar fixtures, how much? Beginning of the year, 10,200. Do you agree?
Yes, please.
Then we have stock of bar supplies. Stock of bar supplies. Stock of bar supplies, how much?
3,280.
3,280. Okay. Then we also have subscription in arrears. Subscription in arrears. How much?
1,500.
1,500. Good. 1,500. Then we have receipts and payment. Bank balance. Okay, thank you. We have bank balance. Bank balance. How much?
2,948.
2,948. Good. Thank you. Any other? I'm not sure. Total. What will be the total?
17,928.
17,928. Okay. 17,928. Thank you. Then we move on. We less what? We less liabilities. Liabilities. What are the liabilities? What are the liabilities? We have what? We have creditors for bar supplies. Creditors for bars. Creditors for bar supplies. How much?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please, where did we pick the bank from? The 2,948.
Go to the receipts and payment account. Receipts and payment account on page 411.
Page
On
4.
page 411.
Okay.
You see bank balance. Have you seen it? 1st January 20x5. Have you seen it?
I think I don't have that one.
Oh, you have it. The question that your colleagues shared last week, which I made, huh? Alfreda shared it, which
yes.
I made, which I made Gideon read.
Okay. Okay.
It's on the platform now.
Yes. Yes.
I saw a hand up. Is it Eunice?
Hello, sir.
Is it you who raised your hand?
Yes, sir. Yes, please.
Go ahead.
Please, and so here for the bar fixtures, won't the depreciation of 20% affect it here?
Oh, we've not been told that depreciation affects the opening balances. It is not part of the question. Look at the opening balance information. Eunice, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
If depreciation affected, they will expressly mention it up there. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Good. Right. So creditors for bar supplies, how much?
1,740.
1,740. Good. 1,740. Okay. Then we have what? Repairs. I think, okay, subscription what?
In advance.
Good. Subscriptions in advance. In advance. How much?
2,465.
2,465. Correct. Then we have repairs, isn't it?
Yes, please.
Check. Repairs is in arrears. Opening balance.
Arrears.
Repairs in arrears. How much?
250.
Come again.
1250.
Thank you. 1250. Good. I think that is all. What will be the total? One 740-2465, 1250. What will be the total?
Sir, please, what about the subscription in arrears?
Subscription in arrears. It is up there. It is an asset. It's up there. 1,005. Have you seen it?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
The 5,455, the total.
The total is what?
5,455.
Okay, correct. 5,455. Good. All right. So if we take it from 17, we take it from 17, 928. What will be the difference?
12,473.
12 what? 473. Is that
Correct,
it?
sir. Yes, sir.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then you double underline it. You double underline it, and the narration will be what? Accumulated fund as at 01/01/20x5. Good. So this is the figure we are looking for. So all these that we have done is what is termed as adjustment. The word adjustment that you've heard. All that we are doing are the adjustments. Okay.
Hello,
Yes.
In reference to the questioned units raised, the depreciation, is there the case that it will happen that it will come in the statement of affairs either than the financial position?
So if depreciation is supposed to be treated in the statement of affairs, it will be mentioned directly that the asset as at the beginning of the year has a net book value of so much. And if it is mentioned there, then it will be accumulated in the statement of financial position, not in the income statement. That depreciation, which has been mentioned in the statement of affairs, will not come in the income statement, but it will be added to the current year depreciation to be treated in the statement of affairs. Is that clear?
So I be brave, but it's okay.
I be brave. Don't worry. Don't worry, it shall be well. Okay. Can we move on then to prepare the bar A? We are now going to prepare the requirement for A. So we are now taking requirement A.
Hey.
So, yeah.
Sir, please, sir, please calm down. Hey, with the accumulated fund, if you don't write accumulated fund, but you just write fund, are you wrong?
You just write fund.
Yes.
You are correct.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So let's prepare the bar account. Let's prepare the bar account. So we come here. We have the company name is what? Justice. So we are dealing with requirement A. And it said what? Justice Social Club. So Justice Social Club. Okay. We are preparing bar. We are preparing bar.
Bar trading account.
Thank you. Bar trading account for the year ending 31st December 20x5. Right. So we have our currency sign here. So we have currency sign. Oh, copy the thing, it doesn't pop. What is happening? Okay. All right. So that is it. And so every trading must have sales. So what is the sales in this case? What is the sales? How much is the sales?
Bar takings.
Bar takings. I remember I mentioned this in class before. Bar takings, you are correct. So we have bar takings. Bar takings, how much?
24,570.
570. Thank you. Then we go and less bar cost of operation. Cost. So less costs of operation. Or you can just say less cost of sales. Less cost of sales. Yeah. Cost of sales.
I said that is different from less cost of goods sales, right?
Yeah. But normally, because we don't know whether we will get wages in the trading account, we normally prefer to use cost of sales. So that if you don't have wages, the cost of goods sold can still represent the cost of sales. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So let's go. We have opening inventory. Opening inventory. How much is the opening inventory?
3,280.
Okay. 3,280. Okay. Then we add what? Purchases. Good. We add purchases. Purchases, how much?
6,840.
Note what? What?
Workings. I think that one is the creditors control account.
Yeah. Workings number what? Number 3. Number 3. Per what we did here. Workings number 3. Okay. How much? What did we get?
It says 6,840.
Good. 6,840. Perfect. Then
And say, should the workings follow as such? Because maybe yours is workings 3, mine is workings 2. So how do we do with that?
So it depends. It shouldn't follow as such. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it shouldn't follow. Okay, so let's go. So that gives us a total of how much?
10,120.
10,120. Okay, then we less what?
Closing stock.
We less closing inventory. Closing inventory. So closing inventory is how much?
4,820.
4,820. 4,820. Okay. So when we less it, what are we getting?
14,940.
Hey. You are lessing. Less means what?
So we are lesson.
Yes.
Okay, sure, sir.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
So that will give us what?
5,300.
5,000 what?
300. Now makes it. Yes, but that's a
Ah, Closing inventory is how much? Closing inventory is how much? Please check well. Okay,
Sir,
that's correct. Closing
is
inventory.
that
That's correct. So you get what? 5,000 what? 5,000.
300.
5,000.
500.
5,300. Okay, thank you. Take it from 24,000. Take it from 24,000.
570?
2,270.
I didn't hear you well.
19,270.
Okay, so 19,270. 19,270. And that is the gross profit. That is the gross profit on bar operations. Gross profit. Okay. Then we less operating expenses. Operating expenses. Operating expenses. Okay. One of the operating expenses will be what?
Barman's wages.
Barman's wages, correct? Barman's wages. Barman's wages. How much?
3766.
3766. Okay. 3766. All right. What again?
Sir, depreciation on fixtures.
Good. Bar fixtures depreciation. How much?
So that one we got 3,750.
3,750. Good. That's all. What will be the total? Put the two together.
7516.
7516. Do we agree?
Yes.
Okay. So let's take 7516 from 19 to 270.
11,754.
11,754. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So that will be the net profit. Net profit on bar. Net profit on bar. This will be transferred to income and expenditure. Take note of it. It will be transferred to income and expenditure. Don't forget, as a source of income to the club. Thank you. So you double underline it and you are good to go. So for the bar that they operated for 20x5, they made a profit of 11,754. Those of you who tried it, did you get this? Hello? Hello, Gideon?
Yes, sir, we are on it. We are still making the correction. So, yes, sir.
Then the requirement B. Requirement B. Can I proceed? Can I proceed? Okay, silence means consent.
Please. Sir, please, can you scroll down a little?
Okay. Mildred. Is that okay? And when I finish, I'll share this Excel file with you. Are you done? Can I proceed? Okay.
Yes.
Silence means consent. So we have Justice Social Club. Justice requirement B, Justice Social Club. We are preparing income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st December 20X5 for staff. Good. So let me copy my currency sign and bring it here. Okay. We are making progress. Okay, what are the incomes for accrued to this club? What are their income? So we are looking for the incomes. Incomes. Good.
The subscription.
Subscription, correct. Subscription. Subscriptions. And that will be workings number workings number 2. Workings number 2. And what figure did we get? Subscription.
12,340.
12,340. Good. What other income? What other income do they have?
Bar profit. Profit on bar.
Good. Bar profit or profit on bar. You are right. Bar profit. Okay. Bar profit. How much?
11,754.
11,754. Good. Any other income?
Entrance fee.
Good. Entrance fee. Entrance fee. Entrance fees. Entrance fees, how much?
1,900.
1,900. 1,900. That's correct. 1,900. Good. So what will be the total? These are all their sources of income. According to the question, these are all the sources of income. What will be the total?
25,994.
25,994. Okay, thank you. Then we move on to less expenses. Less expenses or expenditure. Expenditure. Less expenditure. Okay. Expenditure, let's go. Expenditure, you get most of them at the payment side of the receipts and payment account. Let's go. First one.
Secretary's expenses.
Secretaries expenses. Expenses. How much?
2,541.
So 2,541. Good. What again?
General expenses.
General expenses. General expenses, how much?
2,135.
2,135. Good. Let's move on. What again?
Rent.
Rent, correct? Rent. How much?
3,870.
3,876. Good. What again?
70, not 76.
Yo,
70.
Yo, I hear him. 70. Thank you for the correction. What again?
Repairs.
Repairs. Good. Repairs. We did workings on it. Workings number 1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Workings number 1. And what figure did we get?
5,460.
5460. Okay. Thank you. 5460. Good. 5460. Let's move on. Any other?
Electricity.
Good. Electricity. Electricity, how much?
6,900.
Thank you.
6,900.
Thank you. Any other expense?
Depreciation.
Good. Fixed depreciation. That's good. My student are becoming an accounting student. Yes. Depreciation on fixtures. Fixtures. Okay. Let's go. How much? Workings number what?
5.
Workings number 5. Okay, let's go.
3,750.
3,750.
3,750.
Good. 3,750. Good. Any other? I think we have exhausted the expenses. Is that correct? Get a total for me.
Say 24,656.
Any confirmation? 656. Any confirmation?
$24,656.
Okay, so that's correct. All right, so let's take it from 25,994.
1,338.
1,338. Good. Okay. Do we confirm it? Do you confirm 1,338?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this figure is known as what? Surplus. 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 You can just write surplus. You don't need to be so technical. So you underline this, and then you underline this one too, and then you close this one. You close it. So that's the figure we are looking for. Thank you. Right. Okay. So this is what the requirement asks you. So if you are done with it, you are good to go. You don't have any big deal. Okay. If you are done with this, you are good to go. But we just want to find out if what we did is correct. If only the figures are correct. We want to find out if the balance sheet will balance. Do you agree with me? It isn't a requirement, but I just want us to try it. Do you agree with my assertion?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and I'm sure my class is the last class for the day.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it means I'll go beyond. You ate into my time, so I'll also eat into your private time. But I'm pleading with you before. Am I granted?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Even though painfully, thank you for granting me. Let's go. We'll finish right
Silence
now.
me no consent.
Yes, sir.
We'll finish right now. So we have statements of affairs. Oh, sorry. Statement of financial
position.
Yeah, financial position. Assets. 31st December 20x5. So we have cost, accumulated depreciation, and then net book value. Okay, all right. So we begin with our non-current asset. Don't forget non-current asset. Right. So what non-current asset do we have for this club? What are their non-current assets? What are their non-current? Good. Bar fixtures. Bar fixtures. Right. What is the cost? What is the cost? What did we get for the cost? Do you remember?
18,750.
Very well. 18,750. Good. What is the depreciation? What is the depreciation on it?
3750.
Great. 3750. What would be the net book value? What would be the net book value? Take the depreciation from the cost. Will it be 15,000?
15,000.
15,000.
Thank you. Thank you. And do you have any other asset? Do you have any other non-current asset? No. So you double underline it and move on. So we move on to current assets. Current assets. Current assets. Current assets. Current asset. We have inventory, isn't it? That is bar inventory. Bar inventory. Bar inventory, how much?
4,820.
We are picking the closing inventory. Closing inventory, 4,000 what? 820. That's correct. 820. Good. Then we move on. From bar inventory, we move on to what? Subscriptions in arrears.
In arrears.
Great. Subscriptions in arrears. Subscription in arrears. How much?
1,500.
No.
1,500.
No. Which subscription is in arrears? Look at the subscription account.
1,390.
No. Not now.
110.
110. Thank you. 110. Let me show you the subscription account. Let me show you the subscription. I thoroughly explained it. Subscription account in Huawei. It's here. Have you seen it? Balance brought down. That is the arrears. Balance carried down. It is here. Have you seen it? Colleagues, have you seen it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. All right, let's move on. So, subscription in arrears. What again? What again? That's all. Then we have what? Bank balance.
Bank balance.
Good. Bank balance. Bank balance. Bank balance at the end of the year. How much?
1,990.
1,990. Good. That's all. So let's find the total. What will be the total? What will be the total?
6,920.
6,920. Great. Let's move on. Then we'll move on to less current liabilities. Less current liabilities. So what are some of the current liabilities? What are some of the current liabilities? Creditors for good. Creditors. Creditors for bar supplies. How much?
Is it 700?
Creditors for bar supplies. Yes, you are right. 700. Good. What again?
Subscription in advance.
Subscriptions in advance. Good. Subscriptions in advance. Advance. Subscription in advance. How much?
3,000.
Is it 3,000?
Yes, sir.
Subscription account. Are you sure it's 3,000? Check it well. Subscription in advance. Subscription for 20 X's. Is it not 1,539?
1,539.
Good. So 1,539. 1,539. Thank you. What again? What again? We have what? Repairs owing, isn't it? We have repairs owing.
Yes.
Repairs owing. How much?
2,120.
120.
120. 120. That's good. Right. I think that is all. That should be all. Total. What will be the total? Let's underline. What will be the total? 4,359. Is that correct?
4,359, sir.
4,359. Thank you. Okay. So take it from 6,920. Take it from 6,920.
2,600 and 2,500.
2,561.
2,561. Is that correct?
61.
Okay. So this
Yes,
figure
sir.
is okay. So this figure is known as working capital. Working capital. Okay. Oh, sorry. Make sure I can hear. Working capital. So we add, it is either working capital or net current asset. Net current asset. So let's add it to the fixed non-current asset. So add 2,561 to 15,000.
17,561.
17,561. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we double underline it. You underline this, and then you double underline it. And this is what is termed as net total asset. Net total asset. It can also be termed as what? Capital employed. Capital what? Employed. That is capital invested in the business, or slash capital employed. Good. So that is it. And so this one should be equal to financed by. So we come here, financed by, financed by, financed by, what would be the first item?
Accumulated funds.
Accumulated fund. Thank you, my sister. Accumulated fund. Accumulated fund. Accumulated fund. Right. What is the accumulated fund? What did we get?
12,473.
Okay, I'm coming. 12,000. A moment. Stephanie, you said what? 12,000 what?
473.
473. Good. Then we add what?
Add surplus.
Very well.
Add
very good. We add surplus. Surplus. And what is our surplus?
1,338.
1,338. So when we add, what are we getting?
13,811.
13,811. Okay. So it didn't balance, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
It didn't balance. Maybe that is the reason why they didn't ask us to prepare the balance sheets. Okay. All right. So what will be the difference? Yeah.
In what way will the depreciation on fixtures be part of the expenditure in the income and expenses account?
Oh, wait. Oh, thank you. This is for bar. It's not supposed to be here. Oh. Thank you. Let's correct it. You see, we have treated it here already. Bar fixtures. And it is clear. It said bar fixtures depreciation. So it shouldn't come here. Oh, good. Charlie, +5. Okay.
So let me, then my index number 02.
Send me WhatsApp on that.
Okay, sir. I'll do that, sir.
I'll give
Okay,
it
hey.
to you.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
You did
We are
well.
doing it right away.
You did well. So our account, our distance will balance. It will balance.
Yes,
Let's see.
so.
Yeah, it will balance. So what will be the total here? What will be the total here?
So that total will be 20,906.
900 and what?
6.
6. Confirmation. Somebody should confirm it.
Confirmed.
Confirmed. Okay. So what will be the net? What will be the surplus?
So 5,088.
5,088. Okay. So let's go and change it here. I think it will balance. 5,000 and
yes, it's balance.
It balances. Eh? Good.
Yes, sir.
You have done well.
I will WhatsApp you my index number, say, with my name.
Straight up. You have your five marks
Thank
with
you.
me. Because
Thank you very much, sir.
Me myself, I couldn't see it. Thank you very much. It means you are following exactly, not you alone, all of you. But you are the Lone Ranger, so you will get a 5 marks. The rest.
So this one there we all day inside.
You're day inside. Okay. So don't send your index number.
I whispered it into his ears. I told him.
Everybody will get 5 marks because, in fact, you have all comforted yourself and you have.
Sir, I told Gideon. I told him.
I said everybody will get it. Everybody will get it.
Yeah, I don't know you. I don't know you anyway.
Okay, thank you very much.
You all did well by comporting yourself for me to take you through when your time was actually up. You decided to wait, and you just didn't wait. You were following copiously to be able to identify that an item which should not be in the income and expenditure account was captured. And when we took it out, our balance sheet balanced. So it is just right to compensate you for that seriousness and concentration for us to finish successfully. On that note, thank you for coming.
Thank you very much for the 5 marks, sir.
I think we'll be meeting face to face, God willing, next week.
Yes, please.
Safe trip from Takoradi to Accra.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And a safe trip for all those who will also be coming from far and near. We hope to meet and then we'll put finishing touches to the semester. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say.
Yeah.
So please, last of all, the statement of affair, as at, let me say the closing, right?
Yeah.
We did the So let me say if we should perhaps do the closing one, right?
Yeah.
And we subtract the first one from the meaning that one will give us the profit as well.
Good. But they didn't give you all the figures for the closing, so you can't use it.
Oh, okay. Okay, sure.
Yeah. Thank you. You realize that the closing figures, we determine them, isn't it?
Oh, sure, sir. Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Any other question? So I'm going to share this Excel with Alfreda so that she distributes it to you. Go through it you wouldn't know what might happen. Okay? Is that clear?
Please, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
very clear.
Sir, please, any strategy for us to learn this thing and get it? Is there any strategy to learn the accounting? Sir, if you tell me, I'll be so happy. If there's any way we should go about the studies.
Constant practice, sir.
Thank you. Constant practice.
Sir,
hello, Ken. Ken, you've asked a question.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
a colleague has given a response that was constant practice.
Constant practice.
Then I also add that learn with friends.
Okay.
Learn with friends. Just as we are doing online. You can do the same thing with friends who are conversant with what we are doing.
Right.
Good. Right.
Yes,
Then when I was also teaching you, when we were discussing it, I was going meticulously, moving according to the information given, so that you don't miss any item. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So these are the strategies you can use.
Right, sir.
Following me, what I did, and then going over and over again, and also learning with friends. Learning with colleagues is very, very key. That one, I will not miss that way. Learning with colleagues who are conversant with it is very, very important.
Yes, sir.
So that is the strategy I'll tell you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Great. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, please, and maybe the face-to-face, if there may be some questions we have to look into before we come to class, so that we'll be abreast with what will be happening, or some, yeah.
Okay, the face-to-face, what I wanted us to do will be the company account. I want to touch on the company account. But what we've done, the company account, I'm not sure we'll be able to solve a question on it because our meeting time is just 2 hours. I will try my best and see to take you through. So if we are not able to do a practical question on company account, then we will limit ourselves with a partnership and then this incomplete record. Sorry, we will limit ourselves to the partnership, incomplete record, and then what? Non-profit making organization. Is that correct?
Okay, sir.
Gideon, do you get me?
Okay, sir.
But you can also go to Frankfurt or Terror. There are a lot of questions in it to try. But the ones I've given you, just try them. Definitely one of them will come in the exams. That one, I will not mince way. I will not go and take any question from the moon. The ones that I've gone through with you, one of them, I may give you one assignment that you submit on the day of the exams. Okay?
Okay, sir.
That's fine.
Yeah. I'll give you one last assignment when we meet in Accra that you submit on the day of exam. It's an interesting assignment. I want to see how you can crack your brains to unravel it. Okay.
So the exam, will there be written aspect?
I'm looking at that. When we meet, we'll talk about it. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I think our meeting today has been very fruitful. Isn't it?
Very good. And a high note of ending too. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
so
we are grateful.
On that note, if there is no further engagement, the last advice I'll give is contact your colleague for you to have discussion. If you are stuck up, you can call me. I'll gladly give you explanation. Just as I told Gideon. Gideon is in Takrade, but he didn't bother to come to the office to tell me that this thing I was doing and I didn't get it.
So there was a time I came to you. So there was a time I came to you be first year. The approach now, I mean, I couldn't say so.
No,
Maybe this time.
No. What happened was that your approach caused me to put a break on you. But I didn't tell you. I'm a very friendly person. But if you approach me wrongly, then I'll show you my other side. I'm very, very friendly. If there were, even if you ask the security men, they will tell you, I'm one of the friendliest lecturers to our students. And they always knock at my door for advice, for guidance, and all that. But if you approach me wrongly, I'll show my other side of you, my other side of me to you. If you are bold and come back, then you see me well. I won't tell you what you did. But if you want to know, you can come to me, I'll tell you, so that you don't do it to another lecturer. Gideon,
It's
do you
good
get
for
me?
all of us to learn.
Gideon.
It is two occasions. I remember the very first one was direct into the office. But that one as a precedence, I don't think, but maybe the second one that one I quite, so I don't know, maybe the first one rather should have shut up for the second one to have been held in your heart as well. But I understood, say it's okay. Thanks for letting me know.
Thank you very much for getting me.
Sure.
So my doors are always available. Even after this semester, I'm not sure I'll meet you again, but anytime you need any advice, you can call on me and I'll be glad to share my experience and guidance with you. All of you, not him alone. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
You're
sir.
most
Thank you.
welcome, Alfreda. Today I didn't hear much from you.
Oh, sir, I was talking, but not that much.
Okay. All right, so Alfreda, I'll share this Excel with you so that you share with your colleagues, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. So on that note, can we call it a day?
Class reps,
Hello?
you're not
Yes.
responding. No, class reps. Oh.
Class rep is not ready for us to close.
Yeah, they should
Even
respond.
Class rep, King said you should respond. Can we close, not class rep alone, the whole class?
Yes, sir.
I think
Yes.
we have done much.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
please.
Okay. So on that note, I say goodbye. See you, God willing, next week, face to face. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Stay blessed and
Bye.
enjoy the rest of your lectures for tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Stephanie. Steffi. Charlie, we have to talk.
I need more help than you, my brother. You are not alone.
I beg you, this one, yeah, any brother. Yes, I said,
We are all in this. We are in this together. You are not alone, my brother. Let's talk after you.
Yeah, we'll talk. Yeah. All right. So.
All right. Bye.